In today's video, we will discuss PLC and its main parts. The video is very helpful for instrumentation technicians and engineers, so don't skip the video. PLC is a digital automated control system, means it controls the system automatically. The full form of PLC is Programmable Logic Controller. P means programmable, L means logic, C means controller. PLC is a controller. It controls various machines and processors. Some of the machines and processors are shown in the images. Process means level of any tank, pressure of any process line, any temperature, flow, etc. What is the means of programmable logic? It means a logic that can be programmed and reprogrammed according to our needs. Its simple meaning is, we can change the set points for processors and other programs to control any machine. PLC has some main parts. We will discuss one by one. The first one is CPU, and its full form is Central Processing Unit or processor. Its CPU functions are like computer CPU functions. The program is written on the CPU, and CPU also runs the program. PLC CPU are shown in the images. PLC also has batteries for programming backup. In the image, PLC batteries are shown by arrow. The next part is modules. Field signals are connected in the modules. Remember one point, PLC modules are also known as PLC cards. PLC modules are of four types. Let me explain you one by one. The first one is analog input modules, also known as AI modules. In analog input modules, analog input field signals are connected. Analog input module is shown in the image. The examples of analog input modules are level measurement, flow measurement, temperature measurement, pressure measurement signals. These type of measurement signals are connected in analog modules. The second one is DI module and is also known as digital input module. In DI modules, digital input field signals are connected. Examples of DI signals are switches signals, pressure switch, level switch, limit switch, and other switches are examples of digital input signals. These signals are connected in DI modules. The third one is analog output modules, are also known as AO modules. Analog output field signals are connected in AO modules. AO module is shown in the image. For example, control valve operation, motor RPM control. These are the analog output signals and are connected in AO modules. The fourth one is digital output module, and it is also known as DO module. Digital output field signals are connected in DO modules. DO module is shown in the image. The examples of DO signals are pneumatic cylinder open and close, motor start and stop signals. The next important part of PLC is interfacing modules or IM. As the name suggests, these modules are used to interfacing between PLC, CPU, and modules. The interface modules, or IM, are used in the PLC for data transfer between I/O modules and PLC. IM is shown in the image. Along with PLC, SCADA is also used. Now, let me explain you something about SCADA. The full form of SCADA is Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. An operator controls the processes using SCADA. SCADA controls like a supervisor and acquire or collect the data. SCADA is the layout of plant or industry that is controlled by a PLC. In simple words, SCADA is a software where we can see the plant or industry overview. We can also control machines, control valves, motors using SCADA. Now, I will explain you about programming of PLC. APC is used for programming the PLC. Mostly, we call it as an engineering station. Now we will discuss how does a PLC work. The programmable logic controller reads the given information or inputs the input modules, receives signals from switches or sensors and send them to the processor. PLC executes the instructions from the program. PLC then delivers the results or outputs based on the provided information and written logic. The output modules take back the processor signals to the control devices like relays or motor starters. PLC operates in a repeating loop once the inputs and outputs are determined. Means, input scan, logic execution, output update. Now, we will discuss some applications of PLC. PLC is used in sugar industry. Textile industry. Chemicals and pharmaceuticals industry. Food processing industry.
So, that was our video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends.